Hi everyone, Wednesday 25th of Jan. Just thought I'd do a quick one on the Dow, see where we're going to go or where we are. This is the daily time frame. Obviously, we had the sort of primary trend line there, broke through. That takes us out of bearish structure really, puts us into this nice cleanish break, retest, resumption job. And we've got these yellow boxes are just the higher time frame, well, the daily time frame, support and resistance areas. And you can see at the minute we're sat between these two here, with this level in the middle where it's sat right now. So let's just bring this down, chuck on a 4 hour or something. You can see that these areas have been used. You can see it's rejected out of here. We've had a wash through here, but it's been used. Support down here, and then it's turned to resistance here. Again, support, and it's now sat here, support right on the entry of the box. So I'm not saying it's a long straight out of here. It's not exact science. It's just an area, just to have on your charts and just be cautious that it's an area where decisions are probably made for longs or shorts. So it's whether it comes into this area and washes through, or whether this area holds. And we have another look at this area up here at the sort of 34, 300. But let's break this down to something we can day trade. So here's my fib setup. This is just on a 1 hour chart. Let's chuck it on a 2 hour actually, might be easier to see. There you go. So we've just got some trend lines in there that was using just to maintain structure to the upside. That just gives me confirmation. Obviously a break of a trend line, and she's off again. Break a trend line, she's off. Break a trend line. This one held, and that's the reason we had. Well, for me, that's the reason why we've got the rejection, because we had no breaks, and we had touched my upper fib set here. Now, another little thing you can do is, and I like doing this, is once you've got these sort of built, you can just extend these lines down, and you'll find that you do get some reactions off them sometimes. So we just leave that like that, and we'll chuck this down to a 15-minute chart. Again, it's not an exact science, but you can see it's picking an area. Actually, this morning was a pit perfect one off it, but then I don't know if that trend line is pit perfect. Yeah, so first touch, second touch, yeah, it's all right. Right, so what we got? So we've got key areas, obviously. I'll just move that now because you can see it. 33,681 above, 33,167 below. They're my main areas. We've got this fib set in the middle here, which you can see has been used all week. That seems to be a support area. 33,365 is the number. It used that as a base, cleared the fib set, and then took out this higher, more major one at 681. Come out of that, back into the fib set. Again, bounced off through. And this morning we consolidated underneath the 681, which generally means when it consolidates below, it generally means when it's tight like that, you can get more downside is more like than more upside. You can see this morning it's bounced right out of that fib set. So a couple of options really. In an ideal world, I'd want to be shorting out of here and longing out of here, but we're not in that situation. So this fib set either needs to hold, so I need another rejection out of here, or this fib set to be taken. Not sure I'd want to short it. It's just not enough meat on the bone, I don't think, to take that. But a drop out of this area here, which would clear the week's lows, and I could see 33,167. I'm pretty neutral as we sit in at the minute. I'm happy to long or short this, to be honest, but I do want it more of a key level. So a test out of here, see how this holds. It's either going to be longs out of here or shorts off of here, and exactly the same bit all the way around at the bottom. Cheers.